It's all about getting the scope right on the walkthrough. So really figuring out exactly what the client is needing, what they're expecting for the space, and getting it down crystal clear and getting all the stakeholders to agree in person. And then us setting a schedule. Our workers are trained on exactly that scope. It's in our app, they have a checklist, they have it at training. Our supervisors stop by and check what's going on. Everybody is just aware of the same scope, and that's it's a critical piece that in the beginning we get the scope down. And then we check on people and we have checklists. It all goes back to also who you're hiring. If you're hiring good people and you're paying them well to do the job right, they are able to follow the checklist because they are, they want to do the job well because they don't only do one client for us, they do a variety of clients. So we have some part-time workers, but a lot of them are full-time. And so if they mess up with one client, they're going to lose a lot of other shifts. And so it's really important that they do a good job because they are on our staff. So they're kind of beholden to us as a company, we're beholden to them, and then our clients are beholden to us because it's a community and it's kind of like an ecosystem that works. So we take care of the clients take care of us, and we take care of each other.